Hey, this is Curtis Hyde, and welcome to your Tuesday Tech Tip. So today we're going to dive into a topic of something that an access point can do. So some people may not know what an access point is, and what an access point does is it hangs from your ceiling and has a dedicated job of just creating wireless capabilities for your company. So you can connect wirelessly walking through your office with a laptop and just work away from your computer so you're not tied down to it. Or be able to answer emails from your cell phone and anything that you want to do wirelessly inside of your office. Now, there are some great functions and features that they do, but there's always some other things you want to do with your limitations with that to help give you an extra layer of protection. So an enterprise level access point can do a lot more things than what a home access point can do. It's made for business, so it has more features and benefits. And we're going to talk about one specific benefit today and might be able to supply you some help with your office. So let's just go dive into a bit of a diagram. So right here, let's say this is your office, okay? Nice little square office you have. You have an access point hanging right in the center of your office, okay? And you've got a parking lot back here that you supply for your all of your employees to park at. Let's say one of them pulls into the office one day. They park right here. They hear their cell phone go off, and boom, they received an email. So they pull out their cell phone, they check it, and realize, hey, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi in the office. I'm just going to go ahead and knock out this email real quick. Now, that's a great thing. You can accomplish some easier work because you're wirelessly out in the parking lot. Take care of it and walk inside. Now, for the benefit of someone of your employee, that's a great thing. But let's say someone else pulls up that's not an employee of yours. They park right here. They pull out a laptop that they use as a hacking device, open it, and realize that the building right in front of them has wireless connectivity into the parking lot, and they can view your network. Now, you might have a passcode on it, and it might be protected and patched, but hackers are always trying to stay a step ahead, and they might use some tools and programs to break your password and get through your network and have full visibility of your entire computer network just by sitting inside of your parking lot on their laptop. So what an enterprise level access point can do is have a controlled bandwidth of how far you want your Wi-Fi to go. So if you don't want it to bleed out the building, you can have more control of that. So let's say if you hook this access point up, it's at full capacity and it has a massive range. It has a range this big where all of this area now has Wi-Fi capabilities, but your building's only right here. Now, this access point has controls to where you can actually shrink it and give your wireless access, let's say, this type of visibility. So the only visibility that's going to be seen inside the your Wi-Fi will be what you allow to be inside of this circumference circle of a range. So that way you can take it away the visibility from the parking lot and only have the visibility inside of your office. So that's one way you can add an extra layer of protection to try and avoid hacking or any type of breaches through wireless whenever you're working inside of your office and supplying wireless for your convenience, but not as a possible weakness for your computer network. If you have any questions about how this works, feel free to give us a phone call. We'd be more than happy to help you out or determine whether your access points can do this or how to upgrade them for you. We look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for joining us for the Tuesday Tech Tip.